Most people use Xero at about 20% of its power. They do the basics, but they miss out on the features that truly save time and prevent costly mistakes. Today, I'm going to show you how professionals actually use Xero to save hours, avoid errors, and get real financial insight into their business. This isn't your beginner's tour. This is your advanced guide to Xero. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about your chart of accounts. If your chart of accounts is a mess, your reports will be useless, no matter how good you are at accounting. The secret is to keep it lean. Only create accounts that you actively need for reporting. Instead of creating a new expense account for every little thing, use tracking categories. These are perfect for separating costs by locations, different departments, or specific projects. A clean chart of accounts should align directly with your tax reporting needs, your internal management reports, and your cash flow analysis. Here's a pro tip. If you are constantly exporting your reports to Excel just to rearrange them, that's a huge red flag. It means your chart of accounts needs work. Fix the foundation, and your reports will thank you for it. Now, let's dive into the powerhouse of Xero: bank rules and automation. This is where the platform becomes incredibly powerful, but it can also be dangerous if you set it up wrong. An advanced bank rule strategy involves using conditions very carefully. Don't just rely on the payee's name, add the description and even the amount to make your rules precise. I recommend creating separate rules for fixed expenses like rent and subscriptions, and different rules for variable expenses like fuel or meals, which might need more attention. And always assign the correct tax rate and add tracking categories directly inside the rule itself. Set your rules once, review them weekly, and watch your bookkeeping time drop dramatically. This is how you automate without losing control. Moving on to reporting. The default reports in Xero are fine for a quick glance, but advanced users customize everything. You should be creating custom report layouts that fit your exact needs. Use features like comparison periods to see how you're doing against last month or last year. Add percentage columns to understand margins and growth. And filter your reports by tracking categories to see the profitability of a specific department or project. You can save multiple versions of your reports, one streamlined for management meetings, a detailed one for your tax accountant, and another for investors or lenders. Remember, your profit and loss statement should tell a story, not just list a bunch of numbers. Next, let's discuss reconciliation and error control. Reconciliation isn't just about matching transactions. It's about maintaining financial control. Advanced users build strong reconciliation habits. This means reconciling daily, or at least weekly, not waiting until the end of the month when problems pile up. Be on the lookout for duplicate payments, transactions sitting in suspense accounts, and old, outstanding items that haven't been cleared. Once a month or quarter is closed and the reports are finalized, lock the accounting periods. This prevents accidental changes to past data. If your books always feel almost right, that's not a people problem, it's a system problem that needs to be fixed. Now for the lifeblood of any business: cash flow. Profit is great, but cash is what keeps the lights on. Advanced users don't guess their cash flow. They actively monitor and forecast it using Xero's tools. Use the short-term cash flow feature for your day-to-day decisions and the business snapshot for a broader view of trends. To make these tools really effective, combine them with accurate invoice due dates and a clear plan for your bill payments. You should also run regular scenario reviews. What happens if a big client pays late? What if an unexpected expense comes up? Knowing the answers puts you in control. Finally, let's talk about scaling with integrations. Xero becomes an elite business tool when you connect it to other systems. Think about high-impact integrations that solve your biggest problems. This could be payroll software, advanced inventory systems, expense tracking apps for your team, or powerful add-ons for more detailed reporting. Your Xero account should be the central hub of your business operations, not the only tool you use. When you connect it properly, You create a seamless flow of data that gives you a complete picture of your business. If you master these Xero features, you're already miles ahead of most businesses. You'll work faster, make smarter decisions, and have true confidence in your numbers. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment Xero below if you want a deep dive on a specific feature we covered today. Thanks for watching.